The 110-volt portable welder handheld from Haliwaii integrates advanced IGBT inverter technology to deliver a stable arc performance, making it ideal for seamless welding tasks. Despite its compact size, this welding machine is capable of professional-grade performance with a 120 ampere output, catering to both beginners and professionals. Weighing significantly less than traditional welders, this unit's portability is enhanced by an ergonomic handle and anti-slip grip for comfortable use over extended periods. The welder is equipped with military-grade components and cooling vents to ensure durability and safety during prolonged use, making it a reliable choice for both home and professional projects. This versatile welder supports a wide range of welding positions, including overhead, and allows for precise power adjustments, providing flexibility for various welding needs. The complete welding kit, which includes essential accessories such as welding rods, gloves, and a face shield, ensures that users are equipped for immediate operation on any 110-volt project.